Are you looking to gift mom something beautiful and functional? Designer Michelle Thompson is here with some ideas, and look at this beautiful and functional table we have going on here.
Yes, thank you. So today we're really going to focus on Mother's Day gift giving for the home enthusiast.
Okay.
So this is the mom who probably already has a lot of beautiful stuff, so we want to get creative and really wow her.
I love that. I always think a good gift is anything that's like an elevated version of something that they want, but they wouldn't maybe spend that much money on themselves or something quite that fancy.
Exactly. It's like still an essential, but a bit elevated.
Exactly. Okay, so we're gonna start over here with the bath, which is my favorite realm personally. Not a mother, but
okay,
love
I
the
love
bath.
that because some of these are my favorites. So this would be you. You would be this mom.
Yep.
And you know, again, they probably already have a lot of things, but I think you can't go wrong with like a beautiful spa pillow. That's always luxurious. Some beautiful products like bath salts or bubbles or a dry brush. Something useful, but again, is going to present really beautiful in the room. And I'm loving how a lot of retailers, like this is from HomeSense, but where you can kind of cater a full basket for someone. And I think with the bathroom, really nice to customize the scents for what you know mom loves. It's not one size fits all. Really cater it to like the mom in your life.
Absolutely. So scents can vary so much and really make or break a good bath time, in my humble opinion.
Yes.
So
Well, you know, apparently.
I know. I'm a bath person.
I love this. I love this.
Okay, so you're not a bath person, but you're leaning more over here.
This is a me. So this is for the mom who loves to host.
Okay.
And again, much like someone who already loves the bath, I have all of the plates and the cups and the stuff that takes up a lot of space. But where you can't go wrong is some really pretty serveware.
Yes, this is stunning. I was eyeing this table as it was coming in. This is simply gorgeous, this plate here.
It's so pretty. And you know, I love to think that if you're going to a mom's place who is hosting or loves to host, give them something they can put out right away.
Yes.
So like a vase with some flowers, like a serveware, like a drink mix. And one of my favorite tips is that if you are wrapping anything in a bottle, so whether that's a really beautiful olive oil or a bottle of wine or whatever it may be, to use a tea towel.
Okay, see, we can see on the screen there how you're folding this up.
Yes, it is so quick and easy. You don't have to get any additional gift wrap. It's kind of like a 2 gift in 1.
Yes.
And it looks beautiful.
Okay, so it's like a wine bottle if you're bringing that, a fancy olive oil. I love that idea as a gift. I love a good fancy olive oil.
Me too. So you're this mom too. You're everything.
Not a mom, but maybe all the kinds of moms.
Like the gifts. Yeah, that's good. I'm into that.
Maybe I'm a homebody is what I'm learning.
Yes, absolutely.
There you go. And where are all these items from? So this last one was from Home Goods?
Yeah, this is actually a mix of things. So a few of these from HomeSense as well. This really pretty ruffle tea towel was Walmart. So there's a few different items. The books, of course, are from Indigo.
Okay.
Yes.
Amazing. We have 2 minutes left, and we have one more section, one more category of moms.
So this is the mom I want to be.
Okay.
This is the mom who gardens.
Okay, see, yeah, I would like to be one day, but it's not for me right now in my life. I'm a very bad green thumb.
Exactly.
Yep.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
All
But
right.
I'd like to be more.
Yes.
But again, someone who is great at that sort of thing, they have their gloves and their shears, and they're probably really particular. So what I was actually really inspired by is I went into Indigo and all of these produce inspired motifs. I was like, this is fantastic for a gardener where they can kind of appreciate the relaxing side of it. I'm very into a herbaceous candle right now. This is tomato scented, which is so fun.
I love that.
Oh, it's so nice and refreshing. And a little LED outdoor lantern. Again, useful, but still really pretty, easy to incorporate. And obviously, last but not least, Martha Stewart is an icon. That's her.
Absolutely.
Which mom doesn't love her?
Of course, Martha Stewart for Mother's Day.
Yes. So that is her latest book. And I like it because beautiful decor-wise to use as a coffee table book, but actually very practical gardening knowledge in there.
Okay.
So great for the gardener in your life.
Amazing. So this is all from Indigo on the side over here.
Yes. And again, package it all up in a cute little basket or tray. And I mean, what mom wouldn't love to receive that?
I love a good basket. You know, I love a good, you can make it a whole customized gift over here as well. 30 seconds left. What are you getting your mom for Mother's Day?
Oh my gosh, that's a hard one.
I know, I'm throwing you on the spot here.
You know what? My mom is not as much of a homebody as me. I'm leaning to something a little bit jewelry. She mentioned she needed a replacement, but I mean, my husband is watching, so any of this for me, good to go.
There you go. You can go aspirational to the gardening, maybe a host is a bit more practical. Take notes, take notes. All right, we'll get all this up on our website in case you want to find out where any of these gifts are from, and they'll be up chch.com/morninglive. We have more Morning Live coming up right after this.